Hi there, Izzy from DigitalGoja.com showroom. And today we have a treat. We're doing an unboxing. Haven't done one in a while. This one is the Sigma 300 to 800 millimeter EX DG IF HSM lens. This one happens to be in a Nikon mount. Mouthful, but guess what? This is a massive lens. This is meant for any kind of professional nature, wildlife, and sports photographer that is out there. This is going to let you capture images that are stunning. It's a fixed f5.6. It has two LED elements. It allows you to work with converters. So even if 300 to 800 isn't enough for you, you can work with a 1.4 converter that'll give you a 420 to 1120 f8, or with the 2x converter that gives you a 600 to 1600 f11 lens. Now, this guy is not something that you can strap on and walk around handheld. This weighs over 19 pounds. Look at the size of the tripod collar, which, by the way, is removable. Why? I don't know. It has a huge front element, and notice that it has a proprietary hood, which is rubberized, and this is what gives you the protection right here. There is no lens cap for this guy. It's huge, it's massive. I mean, this is meant to be able to capture images that you can never do with your standard telephoto lenses that are on the market. It's again a Sigma USA product, so it does come with their full manufacturer's limited warranty, which is in the continental US. That means it's up to 4 years. Now, to carry this guy, this is the case right here. I mean, you can pack a lunch inside this sucker. Oh, by the way, since it does work with such huge front element, you do have a 46 millimeter drop-in filter system. Sigma already gives you the UV and the CPL. Notice how it has a filter holder. You place it in there, and voila. Now, if you're working with the CPL, you have a ring here that allows you to turn it so that way you can control your CPL capability. So that way you have perfect polarization effect. Obviously, it comes with a very sturdy, very well protected case, and it even has a strap that you can attach here if you're brave enough to walk around with this just strapped on the camera. I don't know, I would never recommend it. My goodness, I would never recommend even removing this, because look, you got to work with this size tripod. This one's a carbon fiber from Manfrotto with a nice huge ball head. This is what you have to walk around with. There is no way that you're going to be able to hand hold this, regardless of, you know, what kind of a bodybuilder you are. 10 minutes later, you're going to have blurry pictures. This has no image stabilization. So that means that the stabilization is you or your tripod or your monopod. Honestly, this is definitely a tripod-oriented lens. But if you are in the market for a big, massive guy like this, Sigma has it ready for you. I've only seen it in a couple of places. This one is at DigitalGoja.com. Again, if you are in the market for a super telephoto zoom with some of the best optics out there, and you're shooting with full frame cameras or even crop sensor, because remember, with a crop sensor, you're also going to have that 420 to almost 1150 perspective range without losing your straight 5.6. So hey, that is a plus. If this video was helpful to you, remember to click us with a like button underneath and subscribe to our channel for future sessions and future unboxings. And if you have any questions or comments, remember to place them in the comment and question area underneath. Happy shooting!